In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam games crashing on startup. If a game keeps closing the moment you try to launch it, the cause is often corrupted files, a messy download cache, or a hiccup in Steam itself. We'll walk through a clean, safe sequence that fixes the most common issues without touching your saves. Start by opening Steam and heading to your library. Right-click the game that's crashing and choose Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This tells Steam to scan what's on your drive and replace anything that's missing or corrupted. For large games, this can take a while, so give it time to complete. It's normal to see a small download afterward as Steam retrieves only the files that need fixing. This process doesn't delete your personal save data and often resolves startup crashes on its own. If the issue persists, go to the top left menu and open Steam, then Settings, and select Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm. This wipes out temporary data that can get stuck or corrupted during updates. After the cache clears, Steam will restart and you'll be prompted to sign back in. Once you're back, try launching the game again. Clearing the cache is safe and can help if a bad or incomplete download is blocking a successful start. Next, in Steam Settings, select Storage. Find the library where your games are installed, click the three dots next to it, and choose Repair Library. This checks the health of the library folder and fixes common storage-related problems that can stop a game from launching properly. It's especially helpful if you've moved games between drives or recently made changes to your storage setup. Finally, fully exit Steam from the menu so it's not minimized to the tray. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, look for any Steam processes still running and end them all. This clears out any stuck background tasks that might be interfering with game startup. Once everything is closed, relaunch Steam and try the game again. A clean relaunch often clears minor glitches that build up over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.